Alright, we're back with Sheriff Joe's Smith Corona typewriter after we've cleaned and serviced it. So now, the keyboard is back to looking like new. Cleaned nicely. Also, of course, the segment and the card guide. Everything under here is mint condition again. Nice clear card guide. The segment's all cleaned up in here. Everything is clean. Rails are clean. Ends are clean. Nice and spotless. The other side is nice. Everything is back in order here. About as good as it gets here. Alright, so let's see end result. Of course, typefaces are all cleaned up. Everything is looking pretty good. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.